So SC shares are down about 7% this morning. The company put out a press release mentioning the conversion of its Class B shares to Class A shares, which means less voting power for Tencent.
Is it SE?
Yeah, C Limited. The ticker is SE. So Tencent is the biggest shareholder of SE. They C basically said, via Tencent, they're going to convert their Class B shares to Class A shares, which means Tencent's voting power is going to be below 10%. In addition, they're going to reduce their ownership in C to about 18.7%. So that's a reduction of 2.7% of its C shares. I think, Tencent, we mentioned this a few weeks ago because of them divesting JD's investment. There was speculation that they were going to do something new with their investment strategy. But I actually think, and I'm probably in the minority here, I actually think it's the Chinese government basically pressuring Tencent to change their investment portfolio. That was the biggest behind the scene catalyst, in my opinion. So as a result, Tencent is going through their portfolio, and keep in mind, they have the biggest portfolio in China. They pretty much have arm and leg in any big tech company that's not a competitor to them, in China. So as a result of this transaction, C is under pressure. Keep in mind, they were already selling C at some point in 2020 to 2021. If you look carefully at C's annual report. So this shouldn't be that big of a surprise. Tencent is selling C's shares because the stock has multiplied by at least 15 times in the last 4 years. So it makes sense that they may take some profits here. The other thing I wanted to point out is, so yesterday morning, I wrote to clients some rebuttals to an old world upgrade to C yesterday. The stock closed down on the day despite being up 5% post the upgrade. So C remains in the doghouse, and it's the best.
How embarrassing is that?
Yeah, well, I don't know.
It's
not good. They've been underperforming. So
you're big, like yesterday though. It's really embarrassing. Yesterday, it's like opening day. Like it's your first day, first game in the NHL or in Pickles M of Elastics League. It's your first game, and you're getting all fired up, and the music's on, and they're announcing the lineup, and you come up flying onto the ice, and you trip and fall. It's like it's the first day of the year where everybody's making their big calls and their big predictions. You upgrade a stock and it closes down on a day with the stock market hitting an all-time high. That is beyond embarrassing.
Yeah, well, it's good for us since we're short and we're negative on the name. More to come on this name since I'm doing a lot of work on part 2 of my presentation next week. So more to share on that. But I wanted to just hit that since that was the big headline today.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.